Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Cebu Vanlife Adventures. And today this is very special as we celebrate our 1 year anniversary and we're trying to review a new product here. We have the gas butane and also the gas lamp. And we are very excited to review this later on. And let's stay tuned because this is going to be a great product for your camping needs. All right. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is again Cebu Vanlife, and we have here two packages came over here and I wanted to do unboxing. So welcome back to our product review episode. This is again Cebu Vanlife. Stay tuned as we are going to unbox our one of our camping gears. So we have a plan for camping for tomorrow and very excited. We are very excited to open this up and try to use the product in tomorrow's schedule for camping. So let's try to open it. So let's try to open the first box, and this is the gas canister. So again, I bought this one from Lazada Philippines, and it's about, I think, $2.50 per canister. So let's see this one. This is a butane gas, so this is also my first time ordering this kind of butane. I'm not sure how to open this. This is there. Okay, we have a receipt. At least we have a price. So as you can see, oh, it's only $1.50 each. So I bought 2 pieces. So that's 300 pesos for this butane. So I'm gonna pull it out. And here you go. It's very big. Let me put this aside. Throw it away. So this is again the 2 gas canisters that we're trying to set up in our camping. This is going to be our camping light in the evening, and it's gonna add accessories to my camping setup at night. So this is actually what I watch always in camping reviews, so I kind of jealous of what they had, so I wanted to also try to make this on my camping setup. So let me open this one. Oh, here we go. I thought it's big, but it's kind of small apparently, so but it's okay. It says here 230 gram butane gas. That's the net weight for the canister. So the brand is Bounce. It's a known butane stove or gas product. So it's cute. It's very cute. I think there's another variant for this one. It's $2.50 and the biggest one, I guess. And they also have the tall variant, I guess. But there is a like a hollow part. I guess that's for delivery or the shipment issue, but it's not a big of an issue. It looks good. I hope this would be exactly what I was hoping for. And let me see if we have some writings here. It says warning, flammable gas under pressure, and then keep out of reach of children. So it's not good for children, guys, because this could cause a fire. And over here it says premium blend fuel, 70% isobutane, and again it says 230 gram butane gas. Over the top there's no, it says camping butane gas. It's flammable, so we need to be careful, especially for children. Do not have them played. Okay, on the bottom part there's nothing in here, just hollow part, and it's cute. It's small than I thought of apparently, but anyway, these are good. So I bought 2 canisters just for extra storage, or I want to keep this one for, or maybe I can cook here, and then in the other one I could use this one as a lamp. All right, so let me put that aside. So over here we have the lamp. So let me read, what's this? I can't see any. Oh, here it's small. It says BRS lamp light butane gas light lantern, outdoor, for camping or picnic, self-driving. I know what that means. Let me open this. It's hard. Packaging is really good. Okay, it's a small, because it's just a lamp, so this is really nice. Look at that. I'm very excited for this because it's really, it's classic, somewhat contemporary, but it's classic. I like it. I can remember when we were kids, and life in the province, you only have this kind of light or lamp, unlike here in the city, so we don't have this anymore. But I can still remember when I was a kid, we have this kind of, not this kind of lamp, but the gas lamp, where we used to, we don't have electricity in the province before, but this is really good for camping, I would say. Alright, so over here it says BRS-55 and moving scenery always home. It says it's like really a fire. It's moving, it says. Over here I don't see any English word, so let me, nothing more. So it says here you can make it bigger, smaller, depends on you. So try to open it. Okay, so again guys, it's so small. It's like just over half of my palm or hand. It has a canister though, so that's good because this is a glass, made of glass, so it has its canister or pouch, so whenever you keep it or you don't use it, you have this kind of canister to put it into. So let me open this one. Oops, it's so hard to open. Not sure. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so right when you open it, there you have the glass. Let me try to pull it out. Ooh, so cute. It's small too. Oh, this is really nice. This is kind of what I wanted to receive. It's just like what I see it on YouTube channel. I do some reviews or watch some reviews a couple of times already, because before I bought some items or buy some items, I made sure to watch reviews over and over again. So it's kind of like my habit of before buying things over the internet, and I make sure also that the review of this product is really good before I check out my cart. It says here BRS, and there's like a little nozzle here to connect to the butane canister. All right, So it's so nice. It's kind of heavy for this small product, but it's really hard solid. It's really nice touch, nice color as well. I like it. So what we will do, guys, is to just put this lamp to our butane gas canister, and I haven't figured that out, but I would think it would be that easy just to connect it. So I'm going to pull out the lid of the gas canister, put that aside, and just twist it. Just connect and twist to the right, I guess. Let's just make sure that this is okay. All right, so I'm trying to turn it to the right, and okay, so you just have to slowly do it, because I think that's the, when you turn it all the way to the right, that's gonna be the if it's a bigger light or a smaller. But you need to, I guess we need to turn on, I don't know. Oh. Okay, I need to figure it out. Ooh. Okay, guys. Here it is, guys. I was able to put this glass lamp over the gas butane properly, and it seems to be working right now. So I'm gonna light it up and see how good it is. So just so you know that this is going to be a hot surface, so be careful with this one. So you need something to stick on. So, okay, I don't know how to do this, but let me find something else. Okay, let's use this paper to stick in. Oh no. Okay. All right, that's it. We're able to light it up. So again, you have to be careful. It's going to be a hot surface here, so do not touch it. And let's try to make it smaller, so you can adjust through here the output of the gas, or I think you can also try to make it bigger through here. Not sure, but I saw that before. Try to make it more bigger, so it's like that, but you have to make it smaller. So there's a minus and a plus here, so turn right if you want to make it bigger, and turn left if you want to make it smaller, and or turn it off. So it's really taking a small amount of gas, so it would really last longer when you do camping. All right, so I think that's about this product. It's so nice. I'm very happy with this, though it cost me like $1,000, 1,000 or more for the shipping, and this gas lamp is about 600, and this one is about 150, and I bought two. Here's the other one. Again, this one is around 600. There's 300 plus 600 plus, so that's about 1,000 and more for the shipping. All right, so just want to mention, this is the box for this. It's a plastic protective box for this glass, because it's gonna break if you know put it somewhere else, and it's so nice to have this one. And this is really cool. When you go camping, when you have this, you feel like you're somewhere else. So this would really help me, or you know, making a more relaxing environment when we go camping. We don't want that, you know, loud voices and loud music. We want it to be pure. We want it to be solemn and, you know, relaxing. So definitely this one would really be a good camping gears for my camping journey for Cebu Vanlife. Again guys, thank you so much. Again, I'm gonna make more reviews on this product as we test this one on the field when we go camping tomorrow. Definitely this will be the first time that we're going to put it on the camping settings. We're gonna go to Olango Island in Lapu-lapu City tomorrow, so hope you guys could check that video later on. And again, this product is really cool. If you want to add this product, just comment down on my video below so we can provide you the link where we can purchase, or where you can purchase the product. And you know, this is really cool. I would really definitely, this product is really worth the money that we spent for this. Thank you again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't mind, if you haven't liked the video yet or subscribe to this channel, it would really help us a lot by, you know, liking and subscribing to the channel. Please do subscribe so we can make more videos in the future. Thank you so much guys for watching again. God bless everyone. Take good care. Bye bye.